Hi, Andy with HVAC Parts and More. We're going to show you how to change out a draft inducer on a Lennox G26. One of the common problems with this furnace is the condensate drain gets plugged up and the condensate backs up through this flue collar into the motor, and then the motor fails due to that condensation. We check this by checking the amp draw while the inducer is running. The RLA is 1.8 amps. We already checked this one. It was drawing 2.5 amps and not running. So we'll just show you how to change it out. All you need is a 1/4 inch nut driver. We'll loosen this hose clamp on the flue. And then there's 4 screws holding the inducer into the cold header box. Just take these out. And then a grounding wire. Alright, we're going to unplug the inducer, remove the pressure switch tubing, and out comes the inducer. Time to replace the new inducer. This is Lennox part number 68K21. It's a universal inducer that fits all the G26 models. So when you open this up out of the box, you're going to need to open up, read the instructions, and find which one of these restrictors fits according to the BTU. We're working on a 125,000 BTU furnace, and that indicates that it's going to be the white restrictor. So you simply take the white restrictor, snap it. That simple. Okay, it does come with a gasket. So if this gasket is bad, we'll scrape that off and replace it. Now we're going right back together. First, start by getting your hose aligned, and then your 4 screws back into the cold header box. Alright, now that we got those 4 screws put in, we need to put the grounding wire back up. Reconnect the pressure switch tubing. Make our electrical connection. And we need to tighten this hose clamp. All set. Next, we'll flip the power on and call for heat. Alright, so we just turned the thermostat on. The unit's calling for heat. Next step is to check the amp draw on the new inducer. There you go. 1.8 amps. Alright, so that's how you change a draft inducer on a Lennox G26 furnace. You can find all of your Lennox parts at HVAC Parts and More.